Hi, everybody. I'm looking for farm work. I have 10 years experience on animal breeding farms. I have experience pumping off horses, bulls, donkeys, and goats. And I collect the semen for the animal breeding technician. If you know of anybody that has help wanted for that position, I'm willing to travel. My phone number is 508 206 no, 508 222 No, I forget my phone number, but if you know of anybody that's looking for any help for that position, just instant message me, and then we'll go from there. Thank you.